Hi friends, welcome to SeekaHost India YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see what is Plesk and how to purchase the Plesk hosting in SeekaHost India. Without wasting any time, let's get into the video. This video is available in multiple languages. Go to YouTube video settings and open audio track option and choose your desired audio track. In simple terms, Plesk is a user-friendly control panel like cPanel that makes us to managing a website and its server easily. It's like a dashboard for websites letting you handle the domains, email, and databases and security without needing any complex coding or command line skills. Now let's see how to purchase a Plesk hosting in SeekaHost India. Go to our SeekaHost India website. Click on the services option. The left hand side you can see the Plesk hosting option. Click and open it. On the Plesk hosting page, if you scroll down, you can see our packages. As per your requirements, choose the package by clicking the select option. For now, I am choosing the cheap package for the demo purposes. On the choose a domain page, choose register new domain if you want to register a new domain. Choose transfer domain if you want to transfer the domain. Choose SeekaHost. If you already have the domain, choose use your own domain option and enter your domain name. And click on the use option. In this package configuration page, choose your desired billing cycle. Now I am choosing the monthly billing cycle. Please click the checkout option on the right side. Now you will be navigated to checkout page. On the checkout page, if you scroll down, you can see the billing details section. Since I already have logged in, it shows my account details. If you want to create a new account, choose the create a new account option and fill the required details to create your new account. Or else if you want to log in with your existing account, you can see the option to log in there. Once the checkout page configuration is done, please click the tick box and the checkout option. Now you will be redirected to the invoice. Please pay the invoice to proceed with your order. Once the invoice is paid, your order will get activated and the hosting details will be sent to your registered mail ID, or else you can check that mail in the client area. On the top right side corner, you can see your username. Click it. Now the drop down menu will appear. On the top options, click on the email history. Here you can see all the mails that was sent from SeekaHost. Check and open the mail. On this mail, you can find all your hosting details like name server, username, password and FTP. Update the records in your domain to make your website live with the SeekaHost India hosting. Let me show you how to connect the hosting with the domain in SeekaHost India. Go to the My Domains page. On the right side, you can see the Manage option. Click and open it. On the left side, you can see the Name Servers option. Click and open it. Please note that you can also update the A record in the domain DNS to connect with your hosting. In this page, update your new name servers. After filling the details, please scroll down and click the Change Name Servers option. Now you can see the message like Name Servers changed successfully. Please wait for the name server propagation to be completed. After that, your website will be live with our SeekaHost India Plesk hosting. If you find this video is helpful, please like, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon for more updates.